one of the most important techniques we need to be successful in our personal as well as professional life is persuasion. There is power in persuasion. Now, what is persuasion? Basically, how do you make other people comply to whatever you want them to do? That is persuasion. And I always used to think that this is more of an art. It's an art how to get people, follow your requests or sometimes your commands. But when I was talking to her, I realized there's a lot of science behind it. Correct?
Right.
तो जब भी मुझे आर्ट के पीछे का साइंस जानना होता है तो मेरी साइको गुरु तो एक ही है, तो मैं इसके पास चलाता हूँ. तो आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग केस ऑफ आर्ट backed by science and evidence, right?
Yes.
So I'm really very curious to know more about it, Niharika. Ki what are these persuasion techniques? Are they also similar to compliance techniques? मतलब technical words में हम थोड़े weak है, तो maybe you can throw some light.
Compliance techniques and persuasion techniques are broadly the same.
Okay.
There was a man whose name was Robert Cialdini who came up with this through a study. He decided to study people whose entire professions or livelihoods depended on persuasion. So, for example, people who worked as sales heads or people in marketing. He decided to study them and see what made them different.
Okay. So the successful ones.
Right. So he came up with 6 basic principles of persuasion that are liking, authority, social proof, reciprocity, consistency, and authority.
ठीक है, तो हम एक एक
One by
जानने
one,
की
yes.
कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है.
The simplest of all is authority. That if there is somebody who you feel like they possess some sort of authority over you, you are more likely to listen to them.
ठीक है.
So, for example, through their body language or through their gestures, if they look like they know what they're talking about, they look like they're smarter than you, they're at a higher position than you, then you feel like, okay, they're an authority in their field, मुझे सुन लेना चाहिए.
So authority figure,
Right.
जो हमने पहले एक बार बात
Yes.
की थी. So even your for a child, parents are authority. तो generally
Yes.
हम उनका सुनते हैं.
Yes.
So just because they are at a superior position, at a powerful position, you tend to believe whatever they are saying is right.
Right.
And you follow that.
Yes.
तो प्रोफेशनल इसमें कौन आएगा? फॉर अ स्टूडेंट इट कुड बी द टीचर. ठीक है. फॉर अ सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टीम लीडर या बॉस है, वो हो सकता है.
Yes.
एजुकेशन में भी आपके प्रिंसिपल है, उनको आप फॉलो करते हैं.
Or even just an authority in that particular field. So if you go to
मतलब नॉलेज वाइज जो ज़्यादा
Right.
नॉलेजेबल है वो.
Yes.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
So that's mostly about authority. But in authority, it doesn't matter really whether they are right or wrong.
हाँ.
It's just that from their aura, if it feels like they know enough, you
बोल
just
दिया तो
tend to
मैंने
listen
बोल दिया
to
तो
them.
बोल दिया.
Right.
ठीक है.
It doesn't matter if they're actually correct.
अंडरस्टूड एंड एग्री.
Okay. Next is liking.
लाइकिंग.
Right. One of the most famous techniques of using liking is ingratiation.
व्हाट?
Ingratiation. So you make
ये
somebody
नया सुना कुछ.
like you
Ingratiation.
through a lot of other ways. So by flattering them,
Ooh.
by complimenting them, by establishing similarity with them, things like that. Little things that people tend to grow fond of you and then they'll just listen to you because they like you.
Because they like you.
Yeah.
तो क्या चीज़ें बताई तुमने? पहले था
Authority.
नहीं इन इनग्रेशिएशन में
Flattery,
फ्लैटरी. ओके.
complimenting,
ट्रू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, रियल
Right.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स एंड
establishing similarity.
सिमिलैरिटी. ठीक है. आई थिंक फ्लैटरी अभी whatever at least the people I interact with, flattery is a little outdated now. लोगों को पता चल रहा है. People can see through. Genuine compliments, yes, still they work if they are genuine. And third is similarity. I think this
Definitely
this works better.
Definitely
जितना मैंने देखा है उतना कि you establish similarity, you tend to understand each other better. You tend to believe that okay, this guy, whatever this guy is saying may be right. थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट आउट अपने आप दे देती हूँ.
Right.
Okay.
For example, even if you go to a store and you want to buy something,
हाँ.
and if the person behind the counter starts speaking in your language,
हाँ.
then you kind of develop a liking towards them anyway. कि, oh, you know my language, you're
correct.
from the same place
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I'm from, and then you
अपने
tend
आप
to
एक connect हो जाता है.
you tend to keep coming back to that store. So
ठीक है.
unconsciously you're kind of increasing their sales just because you liked that person.
ठीक है. होता है.
Right.
Then
Then there's social proof.
social proof. Okay. What is
Social
this?
proof is basically looking at what people around you are doing and like doing the same thing. So, for example, reviews or testimonials.
Testimonials.
Right. Majorly.
इंस्टा पे तो यही चल रहा है ना? So that's what they do कि मैं यहाँ जाके आया,
Yes.
इतना अच्छा था, ये था, वो था. You see that and you feel oh मुझे भी करना चाहिए, अच्छा लग रहा है. So पूरा इंस्टा मार्केटिंग इसी पे चल रहा है क्या आजकल? सोशल प्रूफ, टेस्टिमोनियल, राइट? ठीक है, ये दिस ऑल्सो इज रिलेटेबल.
Okay. Then there's scarcity.
Scarcity. Yeah, I
So-
think I know this. But बताओ.
So, scarcity is basically you make it feel that your product or your service is available in scarcity. So, for example, playing hard to get even. So when you go to a job interview, you're like, oh, you know what, मेरे पास इतने सारे offers already है, तुम्हें मुझे hire करना है या नहीं, जल्दी बताओ.
Okay.
So then the person behind the desk will think, कि, okay, if they have so many offers lined up, they may actually be good,
Okay.
and I should hire them soon before I run out of
या
time.
फिर आप हमेशा देखते हो ना किसी भी टूर पैकेज में only
Limited
3
edition.
seats left.
Right.
5 seats left. तो जाओ जल्दी कर लो. Scarcity भी I think this is played enough and this is still going on. People do that. कोई
It
भी offer है,
establishes a
limited
sense
offer.
of urgency.
Urgency, हाँ.
Right.
Urgency. अपने आप सोचते हो अरे नहीं गया तो खत्म हो जाएगा and things like that. I think this is going on for quite some time.
Yes.
ठीक है, scarcity भी है.
The next two are a little more complicated than these were.
बताओ.
The next we can talk about reciprocity.
हाँ. Okay.
So basically, in reciprocity, it's kind of like you scratch my back, I scratch yours.
Okay.
So, for example, if I have done something good for you, in turn, I will expect that you will do something for me later down the line.
इसका मैं कुछ सोच सकता हूँ.
Right.
See, I think in professionals this happens. For example, if I want the other professional to refer their patients to me, what I can do is I will start referring my patients and then I will go to them with a request, why don't you refer your patients back to me? And I think it works. So mutually you are referring your patients to each other, of course for different kind of treatment.
Right. It
Right.
completely works. It
So
does
works.
work that way,
Okay.
yes.
और कुछ है इसमें?
There are two specific techniques in this. One of them is door in the face, and the other one is that's not all.
Okay.
So that's not all is a little simpler. It says that at the end of going through an offer, they add a little bit of like a gift or like a small incentive, so that you keep coming back to them. कि oh इसने मेरे लिए they made my experience a little special, so I should help them out a little more.
हाँ, तो वो maybe in some marketing language they also call as a sweetener.
Yes.
ये सब होने के बाद
Yes.
let us give a sweetener. So it leaves a good feeling at the end of the discussion or the sale.
Yes.
ठीक है.
And another one that works on reciprocity is door in the face.
ठीक है.
So, for example, if you take a very large offer to somebody, like it's entirely, you cannot expect that they will agree to this. But that's not your real offer. Your real offer is actually much lesser. So, for example, if you're in need of 20,000 rupees, you go to somebody and you ask them for 1 lakh rupees. Obviously, they're going to deny, they'll say no. And then you say, अरे यार तुमने मेरी request deny कर दी, अब थोड़ा सा ही दे दो, 20,000 ही दे दो. So then in the other person's mind, it develops a little bit of guilt. And they feel like, okay, I denied the first request, the least I can do is accept the second one.
तुम ये गेम मेरे ऊपर खेल चुकी हो, याद है?
Guilty.
याद है? मुझे गोवा जाना है 2 nights के लिए और समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड मैंने नहीं बोला था ठीक है फिर कल एक 1 day पिकनिक को तो जाती हूँ. मैं वो ठीक है चलो चले जाओ. वो गुड, अच्छा है कि तुम ये सीख के मेरे ऊपर पैंतरे चला रही हो. नाउ आई नो आई विल बी मोर कॉशियस. एनीवे, सो दिस वाज रेसिप्रोसिटी.
Right,
करेक्ट?
yes.
ओके, नाउ
The last one, it's commitment or consistency.
Okay.
So in this, basically, you make a commitment, and then even after the details of a deal change, you still follow through with it because I have already made a commitment. Now, if I take it back, it'll look bad.
Okay.
So the best example of this is like Swiggy ke deals.
Uh,
So once you place the order, it shows, for example, if it's showing 250 rupees,
uh,
and then in delivery charges, it increases your final bill to 300 rupees.
हाँ
And then you're thinking, यार
ठीक है, अभी
क्या ही
यहाँ तक
फर्क पड़ता
पहुँचाऊँ
है?
और 50.
Yes.
हाँ, ये हर जगह हो रहा है यार. फ्लाइट टिकट्स में हो रहा है, कुछ एडिशनल अमाउंट आ जाती है. एयरबीएनबी या वट एवर यू डू, एक एडिशनल अमाउंट आ जाती है, बट यू कम ऑल द वे, यू आर लाइक ठीक है,
Might as well just do
हाँ,
it.
थोड़ा
now.
सा ही ज़्यादा है तो मैं ख़त्म कर देता हूँ पैसे देके.
Right.
इसको क्या कहते हैं?
Commitment or consistency.
कमिटमेंट और कंसिस्टेंसी. कूल.
So once you've made a commitment, you don't want to take back on it.
हाँ, सो यू गो थ्रू द कमिटमेंट.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Two techniques under this. One of them is most famously used by car salespeople. It's called the low ball procedure.
ओके.
So at first, when they're trying to sell you a car, they'll give you just the price of the car itself. But then towards the end, they'll add in the accessories, they'll add in the licensing, they'll add in all of that, and then it increases by about a lakh or two.
सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम,
Yes. Yes.
एंड देन यू हैव इन एडिशन ये ऐड करा वो ऐड किया, तो इवेंचुअली इट विल गो टू दैट. इसको क्या कहते हैं? लो
Low
बॉल.
ball procedure, right?
I know the technique, maybe the scientific term I know now, low ball technique.
Right.
And
And another one is foot in the door.
foot in the door. Okay.
Right. It's like you're inching in, so the foot is entering the door.
So slowly enter
Right.
किया. Okay.
So in contrast to door in the face that we just spoke about, if you want a little larger request, you start with asking a little. So in the person who is being asked, they'll think कि okay ठीक है, मन accept कर ही दिया है तो थोड़ा और accept कर ही लेता हूँ, थोड़ा और कर ही लेता हूँ. So if I want a lakh and I ask you for 80,000, and then I say 80,000 नहीं यार, just give me a lakh, it's a round figure.
Okay. So it
Right.
कम से ज़्यादा तक पहुँच रहे हो,
Yes.
ज़्यादा से कम नहीं.
Yes.
वाह. सो पहले वाला क्या था? डोर इन द फेस.
Right.
एंड नाउ फुट इन द डोर. तो डोर कॉमन है. ठीक है. इंटरेस्टिंग है. विच वन डू यू यूज ऑन मी?
All of them.
I've been the victim of all of these techniques, correct?
We all have.
Yeah. और कुछ है इसमें या this is it?
This is mostly it.
This covers
Yeah.
the persuasion techniques.
Yes.
Cool. So guys, imagine जो हमें लगता है आर्ट है, जो हमें लगता है कि शायद लोगों ने एज अ स्किल डेवलप किया होगा सीख के, प्रैक्टिस करके, बट देर इज़ अ साइंस बिहाइंड इट एज वेल. मतलब हम लोग प्लान करके सोच के भी ये चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक द बिग मार्केटियर्स एक्चुअली थिंक दिस वे, एंड दैट इज़ हाउ दे कैन वेरी इजीली चेंज द consumer or customer behavior, or they can get the customers do what they want them to do. So amazing insights, man. Let us know how you liked it, and let us know whether you want us to continue with such interesting conversations. Bye for now.